Good afternoon, dear college and tutor. My name is Victor Pájaro, industrial engineer student, and I am going to explain the cause and effect diagram. This diagram is represented by the little selected by the group that was lack of benefit information with uh, this cause and intellectual property registration still obtaining which products affect such as decrease and productivity and less access to national brands for this is very important to the obtain actually proprietary registration to increase productivity and assertive money and is done in the exercise of technological where survey lying way um, gain access to national brand with problems. Another effect too is the failure to obtain quality certification, which produces a direct effect in the difficulty in the relation with other companies, since it generates this truth on the different process of corporate relation in the same way and other effect that we look in the environment on the lack agreements with employer and other companies directly generates this route but generates an effect as low intensity. To subject is product and process to the qualities requirement with who lead to productive losses. And finally, another sequence is declination of quality certification and theory for loss of productive investment. And with the recommendation is company have a systematic organization structure and permanent way to the obtain information of what is happening outside a company in order to understand the change related to search and technological development in companies. All this information obtained with the technology was allowed the company to be in college and turn it into a tool to identify opportunities in order to define innovation projects. At the same time is the collect key data that are relevant to make decisions of investment and rush development and innovation with low levels of uncertainty which help to take better advantage of business and search opportunity and to anticipate change more easily. When this the technology was covered in the addition to technology or aspect that affect the company as its competitor, legislation or suppliers and these oriented to decision making with speak of competitive intelligence that is necessary to be attention to technological change and innovation process. There is all thanks.